Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your home screen. We've all been there. A cluttered home screen can make finding your favorite apps a real challenge. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to give your device a fresh, organized look. Whether you're looking for a clean slate or just want to troubleshoot some layout issues, you'll find everything you need right here. Let's dive in and get your home screen looking exactly how you want it. There are many great reasons why you might want to reset your home screen. Perhaps it's become overwhelmingly cluttered with apps and widgets you rarely use, making navigation difficult. Maybe you're experiencing some minor glitches with your app icons or layout, and a reset can often resolve these. Or you might simply desire a fresh start, a blank canvas to reorganize your digital space exactly to your liking. It's a fantastic way to boost your device's usability and your personal productivity. Resetting your home screen is usually a straightforward process, regardless of your device. First, you'll want to open your device's settings application. From there, navigate to the section related to home screen, display, or general settings. Look for an option that mentions Reset Home Screen Layout or Reset to Default. Once you find it, simply tap to confirm. Don't worry, this action typically only rearranges your icons. It doesn't delete your applications or data. It's a quick way to refresh your view. After you've successfully reset your home screen, you'll notice a few key changes. Your home screen will revert to its original, default layout, just as it was when you first got your device. All your installed applications will still be there, safely stored in your app library or app drawer, ready for you to place them back where you want them. This gives you a wonderful opportunity to thoughtfully reorganize your apps and widgets, creating a personalized and efficient setup that truly works for you. Enjoy your newly organized space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.